What's up, TeamFullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up my canal. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use my rice water and aloe vera juice as how I use it on my TWA. As you guys can see, since I cut my hair has been growing a little bit. As you guys can see, it has been really growing, and I've been using my aloe vera juice hairspray that I made, and also the aloe vera and rice water hairspray, and also I have been using my hair oil. I try to focus more on my edges because you guys can see everywhere is growing. It's mostly here. So what I've been doing is I have been putting some onions juice, which that video will be coming up soon, showing you guys how I make my onions juice and how I apply it on my edges. With the onion juice, I focus more around this area, like around here, and at the same also here. So now I'm just going to try to moisturize my hair, because when my hair is like this, my head is like this, my hair that is growing feel a little bit dry. So I use this. So what I do is I just take my spray and I just spray it on my head and I just massage it into my head. It feels really good. I use this on the kid's hair. As you guys can see, when I made it, the container was full. Now it's almost finished. I use this mostly on the kids' hair, and I also use it on mine, but I use for myself, I use mostly the aloe vera hairspray. That's what I use mostly on my own hair. But I also love the rice water, so I use it once a while on my own hair as well. And I love how the rice water makes my hair. When I just spray it on, like, it makes my hair feels really soft, and I just like it. Now my hair is full with water. I put a little bit too much, so I have some dropping. So now that I have this one, just to prevent my head from dryness, I use this on my hair like this. As you guys can see, my hair is growing. So now what I do, I take my hair oil. As you guys can see, I'm almost out of this hair oil. I use it a lot. I take my hair oil like this, and I just take whatever it to remain, and I just drop it all over. Now that everything is done, I'm gonna close the container. I'm just going to take my hair and just massage the oil into my head. Take a little bit more of the oil. I want to focus more around the edges. I don't know, with this part of my hair, like on my edges on this side, I have no issue. It grows perfectly. It's mostly the edges on this side, like this side are mostly like a little bit sensitive and break up very easily, break it very easily. But this side is always very natural and okay. I like to massage into my scalp. So now that I've done that, I just like to take a brush and just to brush the hair. So this is what I do even when I use the aloe vera hairspray, I do the same method. I just spray my hair and then I go in with my oil. Later in the day, I will go in with my hair moisturizer just so that my hair have extra moist. And then in the evening, I will go in with the aloe vera hairspray. So as you guys can see, this is what the hair is looking like. It has grown a little bit, you know, it has grown. I'm really loving it. I'm actually thinking of coloring my hair, but I'm not too sure yet. But I'm thinking of coloring it. I want it to grow a little bit, and I'm thinking of coloring it blonde, like blonde, but I'm not too sure yet but so far I love the way it's growing, and I really take my time to focus around this hair, around this part, like the edges on here. But so far so good. So this is how I use my rice water and aloe vera hairspray on my head and with my oil. So if you guys like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.